we'll guide you through how to create a Claude AI account. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Claude AI website on your desktop. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Sign UP button located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. You'll be directed to a registration form. Here, you need to enter your email address and create a strong password. Make sure your password is unique and secure, combining letters, numbers, and symbols for extra protection. After filling in your details, click the Next button. You might be asked to verify your email address, so head over to your inbox and look for an email from Claude AI. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folder just in case. Click the verification link in the email, which will redirect you back to the Claude AI site. Once your email is verified, you'll be prompted to complete your profile. Enter your first and last name, and any other details they might require. When you're done, click Complete Setup. You should now have a fully active Claude AI account that you can use. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with the features and settings available. Remember, keeping your account information up to date helps improve your experience with Claude AI. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.